Hey guys, what's up guys? So today's video is gonna be my review on this brand called Breo. I'm gonna be reviewing their Breo foot massager. They sent me this amazing foot massager. So as you know guys, Breo is a leading developer and manufacturer in portable massagers. Breo exists in this industry for over 23 years. They manufacture nothing but the best massagers for personal health and relaxation needs. Breo operates about 140 stores worldwide. Breo creates massagers that are crafted to be high quality, functional, and aesthetically pleasing. Their goal is to help people globally to relax and better enjoy their day-to-day life. This is the packaging, so it's big. It's called Breo foot massager, hug with love. So this is the foot massager, and it's already connected to power. This is the on and off button. This is the mode. You can change the mode, strength and heat. So let's try. So without further ado, let's go try it. So our feet in there. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, nice. Wow. I can totally feel massaging my feet. Oh yes, this is the mode. Let's switch the mode. Right, so it's something else. It's different. It's nice. Wow. Okay, so there's 3 modes. This is the first mode. So it's just different patterns of massaging, you know. Wow, this is really good. And that is the strength. If you want it stronger, harder. This is the heat. It's gonna give heat. It's gonna make it warmer. Wow, this is good. It's a great pain relief, deep tissue Shiatsu massage. It's rolling foot massager and kneading. It's good. I love this. I think it's a perfect gift for Christmas, you know, and New Year. They also give me 2 pairs of Christmas socks, which is really good. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yeah, so they come in handy, you know. You can just use it anywhere you want. You can take it and move them from one place to another. You can bring it, you know, you can bring the foot massager and move it anywhere you want. You can use it anywhere you want. You can use it in the office, in the house, in your bedroom, in the living room, in the study room, anywhere, even at your workplace. So this is really good. Comes in handy and very portable. It's not heavy at all. It's lightweight. You can bring it anywhere you want. It's portable. Alright guys, so I really like this foot massager. I really think it comes in handy. I'm obsessed. I don't need to find a massage anymore. I could get my own massage at home done by these machines, by this little massager. So yeah, this is great. Let me know in the comments below what you think about them, okay? Let me know in the comments below what you think about this foot massager. I think it's really great. I've already put the link down below in the description box. So if you're interested in getting this foot massager, just click on the link. It's going to bring you to the website and you can purchase it, okay? Please give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Bye!